Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I'm super excited because I finally found the Juicy Jazz and Milani collaboration that they did. It was really hard to get my hands on it. It was really hard, but I finally found it. If you want to see how I did this look using that palette, keep on watching. Hello, so I'm super excited. Look what I found. Finally, at my local Walmart. I was shocked when I saw it because I didn't think they were gonna bring it. I would always check that one. I would check Walgreens, different Walgreens, different Walmarts, and they never had it. There was no signs of it anywhere, and they finally had it. They had a little small stand, and the one that I originally wanted was the other one. I think it's called Rising Star, which is more berry tones. That's the one that I really wanted, but that was completely out of stock. And then this one was the last one. And this one's the Golden Glam kit. And this one was the last one. Basically, I grabbed the last one. So I was like, I gotta have it because I do love that lippy right here. I'm dying to try it out. So I saw it. I was like, finally. And of course, here in Puerto Rico, everything's more expensive because this retails for $14 in the States. Which the packaging, if you're in the States and you bought this, you know it says right here. See how it was, this one's been ripped out. Right here it says $14. But here it was $17.90 something, but basically $18. That's why they took this off. So yeah, but still, it's pretty colors and I'm dying to try this out. So let's get started. First I'm gonna prime quickly. I know that's boring, so I'll just fast forward that part. I'll be using this one from Jecca Black. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. I'm going to use this one from CoverGirl, the Outlast Streamwear, because I used this once in a review and I really don't remember my thoughts on it. So I'm going to use this again. And I did wet my sponge this time. I remembered. So in case you don't know who Juicy Jazz is, she's another YouTuber, Latina. And she's been doing YouTube, oh my gosh, for so long. She's amazing. Love her. I watch her videos all the time. And she finally did a collab with Milani. So when I heard about that, I was like super excited for her. She does a lot of reviews on drugstore makeup and I find out a lot of good products because of her. So I'm super proud of her. Not only because she's another Latina, but because she made it. This has really good coverage. So I saw this Superstay Full Coverage Concealer from Maybelline. And I've heard good things about it. I don't remember where I found this, but I saw it. I was like, let me try it now because I found it. And this one's in light medium. Hopefully it's not too full coverage because they tend to make my under eyes look very heavy and cakey. And I don't like that. Ooh, it's pretty dark. I didn't think it was gonna be that dark. Let's see. Maybe I can conceal that freaking spot that I have there. See that? I hate that spot. It's so hard to cover. Maybe I can cover it with this. I'm gonna set everything with powder. This is the Beauty Bakery flour powder, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this comes with an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter duo, which I think is gonna be too deep for me, but we'll see, and a Ludicrous matte lip crayon, which I've never tried. I think I've never tried their highlighters nor their lip crayons, so it's the first time that I'll be trying that. Let me open this up and you can see her here in the back. She looks so glamorous. She's always glamorous, so it totally fits her. This also makes it for a great gift. The eyeshadow palette brings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadows. Let me open it up. Of course, it has tape. Let me open that up. It's very pretty. Look at those colors. It gives me more like New Year's Eve vibes, right? So this is the highlighter duo. It's called Double Shot. I really think these are gonna be too deep for me, but we'll see. I'm gonna swatch these two. They're pretty. If anything, you could also use them as eyeshadow, so that's fine. One is more gold and the other one's more bronzy. I'm gonna swatch the 3 shimmers. It has 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. Look at that. That's very pretty. That's real nice. That's so pretty. What? Milani. And then the lip crayon, which is a matte. It's called Post Game. I think I'm gonna like this a lot. Although it looks like a weird shape. I don't know how easy it is to apply to get like a sharp edge. We'll see. Let me just swatch it right here. Oh, it's so creamy. See, again, on camera, it looks like if it was like fuchsia or hot pink or something like that, but it's not. It's berry. Let me see if you can see the color better over here. No, with the lights, it looks like it's pink, but it's not. It's darker. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the lightest shade. I don't think I remember when was the last time I bought an eyeshadow palette from Milani. It's been a while. I remember when this came out, this collab came out. Of course, I tried to buy it through, she had posted it that day, but I was working. So by the time I was done working, I went to see if they still had it, and they didn't have it. It was sold out. Then again, I don't know if it was a week after or something, she posted it again that it was available, and I was working again. So I saw that post later when I was done working. I went to check, and again it was sold out. It was also sold out in Milani's website, so I couldn't get it there either. It was a long mission. And now I wasn't even searching for it, and it was right there in Walmart. It's a pretty color. With a smaller brush, I'm going to take the other shade next to it. Concentrate that more on the crease. So tell me, are you done with your Christmas shopping? Or holidays shopping? I am done, finally. I went yesterday to buy my last gift that I needed to purchase, and I'm done. And strangely enough, I don't know if this is happening everywhere, the stores are kind of normal. There's no cluster, there's no people shoving each other. It's normal. And I'm like, this is so strange. I think it's because everybody decided to do online shopping this year because of the situation. There's no long lines. I mean, everything's like a normal weekend. I'm also gonna put that on the lower lash line. Same color. Now I'm gonna take the deepest shade in there. Gorgeous brown. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. I love browns like this. I'm gonna create a little wing with the eyeshadow. Just a little bit, not a lot. I'm gonna take my glitter primer from NYX that I always use for shimmers. Look at that gold. Ooh, wow. Isn't that gorgeous? Right? And my friend decided to join us. He's cutting the grass. He's my best friend. I'm going to take the lightest shade and use it as a highlighter for the inner corner. Oh, what, bitch? Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. I'm going to use that dark brown right here, just in the outer corner, and connect that over here. And then in the inner part right here, I'm going to use the last shade that I haven't used, which is like a bronzy shimmer. I'm going to add some eyeliner in my waterline, put some mascara on, some falsies, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and put some bronzer and blush. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lightest shade of the palette, and I'm going to use that one as a highlighter because I think that one looks so pretty. Do you see that? That is pretty. That is blinding. So for lips, I don't usually put lip liner on, but I found this one that I have from Beauty Vault. And it's the closest shade to that color. So I'm gonna line my lips first, and then we're gonna try this one. Now, dying to try this one out. It's super, super soft. It's so creamy. And it's matte, but it doesn't feel dry. I love that color a lot. It's so pretty. And it's a shame that the camera doesn't really pick up the color, the right shade. It looks hot pink or fuchsia on camera, but it's not. It's like a violet plum color. It's very pretty in person. So that's it. I love it. I love everything, really. And the highlighter duo, I'm just going to use them as eyeshadows because they're really pretty. They're very metallic, very shiny. I can't use them as highlighters because they're too deep for my skin tone. But then I use this one as a highlighter and it's gorgeous. This shade right here. And I mean, it's just pretty. I love it. I love this palette. I use all the shades and they all worked great. I like everything about it. I'm glad I purchased it. I'm so happy that she did a collab with Milani. They killed it. If you get a chance to grab this palette or the other one, I highly suggest it. It's amazing. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you can. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. I don't remember how I feel about this. My neighbor's fighting with his dog. I don't know what's going on over there. And of course it has state.
2,000 years later.
More tape. Lip liner on. What is that? So if you made it to the end of the video, here we go. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let me do that again.